Alright guys, check it out. I'm here at my Wltoys A979, upgraded to a Wltoys A979-B. I put a 540 motor in this thing, and this thing flies now, alright? I even put some lights. You guys know me, put lights on everything. Check out that night run. I don't know what to call this thing. Let's call this thing the Wltoys A979-B. Alright, let's just do that. Let's go for a run. Alright, let's go guys. Oh yeah, this thing is fast, man. My favorite RCs, man. Wltoys A979-B. Check that out, guys. Alright guys, Wltoys A979 upgraded to the B. See you guys in the next video. Later.
You